Day 2 of the trip, and we are starting doing something that I've done before. Have you heard of the G-turn? That's what we're about to do. And instead of me doing it, we're gonna have you drive. Are you cool with that?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's allowed.
I don't mind.
This, by the way, is called Mercedes-Benz World. These are all G-Wagons. 300,000 visitors a year, and they have 150,000 of those people that come out here and learn how to drive in tricky conditions. This road right here that he is sweeping is the slipperiest looking road. It is pretty crazy. So they put a little water on here and it simulates black ice, and you barely are moving the car. Doesn't feel very slippery out of my shoes, but.
Oof. So I get in the back. To activate rock mode, you have to confirm that you're off-road and all that. Then you press that button.
Oh, it has its own button right there for it.
Yeah, and then it says that turning.
Yeah.
Then your foot on the brake.
Yeah.
Put it in D.
Okay. I've been in the car with somebody from Mercedes-Benz that's done it. I've never actually driven, and now we've got an expert here driving.
Stressed out. Like, you just gave me the little orientation, and this seems like a lot.
Go ahead, do all the steps. Then let off and push all the way down on the gas pedal.
Oh!
Oh!
There we go.
Yeah!
There we go.
Smooth!
Yeah.
It's actually really smooth.
Are we good? I'm gonna. Okay. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, that's great.
You got the smoke going on out there? That was way smoother than I thought. Last time I did it was on gravel. We are on like basically concrete or asphalt, and for it to be able to do that, it has to have a lot of power, an electric engine, electric motor. Would you ever like to have that feature in a car?
Yeah. I mean, I would love to have this car. This car is great. It's so nice. That was a little stressful though, honestly.
All right, we did it. Success. We didn't crash. I'm glad you like this car because we're gonna be sitting in one for 7.5 hours today.
We are.
Love the G-Wagons, and the electric one is already off to a good start with that move. Look at these guys. They're just rolling char on here. Just more black goo stuff, so that this thing is as smooth as can be. That's really interesting. I can smell it, that's strong. I'm gonna be totally transparent with you. Lincoln and I are super jet lagged. It's been 5 hours of sleep each night. This is going to be the first car that we're driving today. This is a G-Wagon. It is not the electrical one. It does not have the G-turn, but I'm gonna drive, and we have a 7.5 hour drive today. So first let's go and get to lunch. You good back here?
I'm great, yeah.
You got enough leg room?
Yeah, funny.
So here's the situation here. We are driving a German vehicle. So they brought these over from Germany. So the steering wheel is on the left side of the road. But what's a little bit confusing is that we are still in England, at the UK, and you're supposed to drive on the left side of the road. But actually, I feel like it helps a little bit to be on this side because I'm used to this car. Roundabout, gotta wait for the cars coming from the right. I'm learning. I'm still not a pro here. We are pulling up to Neck. So they have a Starbucks here. They look like little chargers. Oh, okay, so we've got some fast chargers over here, and then little chargers that are probably a little slower. And then we're gonna park our gas car somewhere that is not a charger. All right, welcome to our biggest EV charging giga hub. Here is the G-Wagon that we've been driving, and then over here is the electric G-Wagon that's getting a bit of juice over here. All right, I am curious how fast it's charging, so we're gonna check it out. Charging power, 143 kilowatt hours. Okay, that's a good speed for being halfway charged. Only been charging for 3 minutes. 300 kilowatt max. That's pretty fast. It's good looking. It just feels so nice. The further north you go in the UK, the cooler it gets. We're gonna say goodbye to that G-Wagon for now. We're gonna go with the electric one because of course I'm gonna drive the electric one. Let's really see how this one rides. I don't know, I just feel more at home. It's just my kind of driving. Okay, I did not film what we just did, but we drove for a very long way through some of the most scenic countryside of England. It's so gorgeous. Look at these towns. Look at the buildings made out of bricks, cobblestone. Oh, I love it. In fact, look where we're at now. Those are just random sheep that are just sitting in the field. Good news, we found some chargers here. They're Tesla destination chargers. All right, is this a spot? Open. Wonder if you have to push a button.
Don't you?
Is there a button inside maybe? I don't know what I'm doing. Unlock, unlock, where you at, where you at? None of these. We're learning here. Okay, we got the expert here.
There we go.
What just happened? What? How did...
Magic fingers.
Look at the end of the charger here. Okay, UK. We did it, everybody. Okay, let's go get some authentic British food. That's where we're eating today. Devonshire Arms. All right, here we are. Yeah. that. Oh, officially perfect. That's a perfect doorway. This is the malt vault. It's so pretty though. I was hoping a car would drive through, just any car. Come on, car. We just got word that it's somebody's birthday from Mercedes-Benz that's in our traveling group. And so our friend from Mercedes, Miriam, just said to Lincoln, if you guys ever see anywhere that has cake, let us know. And Lincoln goes, yeah, Old Smithy, right there. And so we drove back to where we had lunch. We backtracked in order to come back to this cute little town because Lincoln remembers seeing this, and they close in like a few minutes. There's their Instagram if you want to check them out. But we're gonna go in here and get some cake. These are some of the cakes. We got Victoria Sponge, Hershey chocolate cake, and the carrot cake. My vote's for the carrot cake, but not everybody likes raisins and carrot cake. You got the chocolate already without my decision?
Yeah, the chocolate.
You vetoed me when I wasn't here?
It's not your birthday, you're all right.
Do you think she likes chocolate? What if she's allergic to
Who
chocolate?
doesn't like chocolate? Come on.
Look at this place. It's really cute, and it's in like this little hidden town. You wouldn't expect. It's just like back in a corner. England's pretty cool. They have dog bones here. And then they also have vanilla ice cream for dogs. The carrot cake, definitely a 9.8 out of 10. Just a regular road here, and that's it. Old Smithy, that doesn't scream bakery either. Looks like a place where you make swords. This town is so cool. This church dates back to the late 12th century. It's the oldest building in Beeley, which I think is the town that we're in right now. They just renovated it in 1800.
Just renovated it, yeah, pretty recently.
That looks like you just open it. That's wild. It's like not even buried. I mean, that's Europe for you. Everything's a lot older than America, but wow, that's beautiful. Look at that castle. It's huge. Unbelievable. I really want to go and look at it.
Look it on maps.
When it's on the maps, you know you're something. Look at this place. The lodge, can you stay here? I'm putting it on the list. Places I need to come back someday. We do have 3.5 hours of driving to do to deliver a birthday cake and have a dinner with everybody. So we just pulled over. We want to get a picture for this video, and look at that. That's a good shot with the lights on. Listen to that beautiful noise. It's the sheep. This is Liam behind us. He says these are his sheep, and there's 1,000 of them there. This field is massive, and we're blocking the gate. Is he really doing it? Is he really opening the gate? Oh my gosh. I want to see this.
No,
yeah.
can't. Don't do that.
Yeah, I want to see it.
We've been in his way enough.
No, we haven't.
We're in the road now, too.
I know, but the road's gonna be blocked by sheep.
Let's go. He's going back.
Look at him. Liam is sending his sheep across the road. So I thought he was just like bugged that we were there. No, he had to move the sheep, but we just happened to park at the worst place possible. Sorry, Liam, if you watched this video. We didn't know that you were about to push those sheep across the road.
Slow down. Slow down.
There comes this car whipping around the corner.
Whoa.
They're so loud too. Random adventures. Unbelievable. Okay, back to the driving on the wrong side of the road. Oh. We've made it to our hotel. Love the vibes here. Look at this. Look at these buildings. It's a totally different vibe than what we've seen everywhere else. Oh, the cake, the secret cake. Good call. Do I follow you, Lincoln? Yeah. Okay. Are we sharing a room this time? No. Oh no, wow. Oh no. Oh, they're following us all the way to the hotel. They see a room? Oh, room tour for Lincoln. The mini bar that everything's included, he said. This camera does not do well in low light.
Corner room right here.
Corner suite. Oh, it's open. It's open. I was like, wow, that's really good glass. No, it's just open. Gorgeous out here.
Really nice.
Come inside and you've got very colorful decor. Lincoln's already messing with the air. What's your preferred temperature?
You know, here I'm not really quite sure. It's not 12.
You might not even have air conditioning here. It's just a heater in case it gets cold.
Probably.
Very nice. Look at this bathroom.
Look at this.
Wow. Wow. Oh, wow.
Interesting.
Very nice. Okay, the guy is waiting to show me my room. All right. Thank you for waiting.
You're welcome.
This is mine. I do not have the corner suite. Oh, yeah. All right, let's check out the bathroom. Lincoln's room is really nice. All right. Two showers. I only have one shower. Look at this toilet. Buttons. Day 2 comes to an end. We had some amazing dinner last night. Really, really fancy. We had this salmon that was raw, that I guess is Scottish salmon. I didn't know. My wife is from Alaska. I didn't know that salmon comes from Scotland and they have lots of it. Happy birthday to you. And I did not sing in the happy birthday song just so you wouldn't hear me singing into the microphones. We're about to have a long adventure, day 2, to go to a golf course and stay inside of a castle. Hope you enjoyed day 2 and day 1. This is a fun adventure with Lincoln. It's gonna be amazing. So thank you for watching this. We'll see ya. I don't know what I'm doing.
Magic fingers. Look at all those sheep.
Even in his way enough.
No, we haven't. England's pretty cool. Come on, car.